I'm in a 2010 Land Rover LR2, and today I'm going to show you how to add brake fluid. So first you open the hood, and then we'll remove this panel here towards the driver's side, and then here you'll see your brake fluid. This would be where you add your new brake fluid to. And then check this side, there's a max line and a minimum. So you want it pretty close to the max line, but not completely full because there's supposed to be some air gap. And I double check your owner's manual or good online source, you've got the best type of brake fluid for your make and model. But when you're ready to add, you'll just unscrew this cap, and then with a funnel or straight from your liquid jug, just fill as needed till you're around this max line. Screw back on nice and tight, and then you should hardly ever have to add to this. So if you're getting low, I would double check really well around the reservoir and your lines to make sure there's no leaks, cracks, anything like that that might need replaced or repaired. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.